what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. In today's video, I am going to do a hair tutorial. As you guys could see, new hair. Okay, so yeah, I've done bob cut before, but not really often, because bob cut always make me look older than I am. I'm only 24, but I do like bob cut because they're so easy. They're not long at all, so they don't really get like tingle or like get frizzy. So that's why I really like bob cut. So this hair company DM me on my Instagram so I could do a review for them. So she sent me money on PayPal so I can do the review and like so I can buy the hair, and it's from Amazon, and the hair name is gonna be under the description box down below, so you guys can go and click it and you guys can go on Amazon and purchase it if you guys like it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the store that I got it from is, it's a PIXIE cut headband wig, straight short bob human hair wig, and I got it in the natural color, which is black. We're gonna start with my edges cause so it comes with one comb in the front and two combs on the side, and oh, one comb in the back also. And this is the headband for the hair. Saying so far, it's really thin, and I don't really like that because like I can feel like my head, I don't know, I can feel my head, like literally I can feel like it's so flat. So I'm gonna try to iron it and see if I can fix it a little bit, because I really don't like how it's so flat and I can really feel everything. Like I can feel my head. Hair, it was really flat, so I really had to like make bumps in it to make it look like it was like really nice. But I actually like it after I, you know, gave it the waves and stuff. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but it's actually pretty nice. But the only thing I do not like about it, it's really thin, and I really do not like that. Let me guys show you the back. So yeah, so this is what the back looks like. Long as you can give it like some curve and stuff, it actually will look like you just had a blowout with your natural hair. That's the height of my hair actually, so it can pass as my natural hair. So now let's put some headbands so you guys could see how it looks more natural. Okay, so there you go. I'm actually gonna go with the headband that actually came with the hair. If you guys like the video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So see you guys next time.